We've popped down to the Astec stand to have a chat to Chris. Chris, tell me, what do Astec do?
Well, we're a software system integrator, so we work with manufacturing companies to understand their requirements when they're interested in implementing new systems, which could be for maybe increased production capacity, or they're looking to maybe gain insights from existing processes, understand maybe where they can make improvements in quality and yield and throughput and all of those kind of things. So we basically engineer solutions to address those requirements and hopefully improve their overall performance.
Fantastic. What kind of technologies do you guys use to help create all of these solutions?
So we take basically software applications from some of our partners that we consider are probably best of breed, and we use those to engineer the overall solution. So really we've got probably three pillars that we'd work at, or that we'd look at, which is automation and control, MES and MOM, and then industrial IoT. So using those three pillars really to come up with a solution, really depending on where the customer is in their I guess their automation life cycle. Some customers are quite early in that journey, not a lot of connectivity and not much automation. Some customers are actually quite far down that down that roadmap, and then we tailor the solution accordingly to provide the best outcome really.
And what kind of sort of customers and clients do you have at the moment?
We work heavily in customers in CPG, some food and bev. I know it's outside of the domain of this show, but mining and minerals and utilities, also power generation, those types of people. But I guess for this show, we've been focused on those customers in CPG and also food and bev.
Fantastic. And you've got quite a bit sort of mappable stand, is that even a word? I wanted to have a look at sort of what you're showcasing here and what you're telling people about when we come down. So what have we got? Okay,
so over on the back wall here, what we're trying to get across through this image is the idea that we're really kind of considered, or we cover the entire factory environment, from even goods in through raw materials, then through production processes, like storage, warehousing, and then also goods out. But from a manufacturing kind of perspective, in terms of understanding where there may be things like opportunities for improvement in these areas, this is really trying to demonstrate that whether you're looking to increase, maybe your filling and packing capacity, or whether there's some issues in production associated with quality or maybe throughput. Even looking at things like energy management. So if you're looking to maybe understand how to optimize your energy usage or maybe drive down energy costs, then our solutions can provide this kind of holistic view of the entire operation, and then allow you to target these individual areas, then to find some of those gains, which may be marginal but could also be significant.
Absolutely. So it's kind of a real must if you're looking to optimize and analyze and kind of really get the best out of the business.
Absolutely, yeah.
Fantastic. And so have you had a great show here?
Yeah, it's been good so far. Yeah, certainly yesterday was very, very busy. Kind of rushed off our feet really. So saw lots of people, lots of interesting conversations. Today it's obviously still early doors, but let's see. We're holding out for a good afternoon, so should be good.
And why do you come back?
I think probably the number of customers that we see, or the number of potential customers certainly that we see over this show, there's quite a diverse mix of people looking for lots of different things. But I think from our perspective, not being a provider of any hardware, we're looking to maybe introduce the idea that if somebody's here looking for equipment, maybe there are some significant benefits also at looking at maybe refreshing some of their software systems and some of their technology, and particularly around this industrial IoT, which is certainly getting a lot of attention and hype in the media right now, and certainly a lot of focus from customers as well.
Well, brilliant. I hope you get a lot of new customers here, and thanks for chatting to us.
Thank you very much. Thanks.